Hmm. So when I said that they were doing the land server thing, and there were somewhere around 50,000 people, so I was not lying. This is a normal thing which I caught in Lenovo. A family controller was doing this. This is my mother's phone. I have uploaded the evidence long back and it's in the court papers as well. So, someone was doing the LAN server thing and gathering that, uh, what do you call it? Those scammers. Basically, those are sextortion racket women. Huh? So, a family controller takes control, Dell, Lenovo, and does this. And when I start doing the police complaint, they were doing the message planting through clones. J7 stolen phone, J7 dead phone, and clone of this. Now a clone version of this too. Hearing this part. So I'm making this sketch now. So that's why this it's on the screen. So a clone version of this is two. So why the and now when I was buying a new laptop computer, it was already there domain group work. It was already there. So I am not making things up. This is a pattern of loot. The prostitution racket, which does the clone phone, is connected to Vijay cells and they accuse their victim of a lot of bad shit like the from the LAN server front camera recording. What do you call it? The laptop has that camera in the front from there. So I have no clue that they do this. But after complaining and after going through stuff, I started getting knowledge. So past 3 years, I didn't date anyone. But before that, who I see, NRIs, richest of the town. But after knowing this, why didn't I see anyone? Because I know what I have to show to the world. Getting this bad. Getting this bad. And the best part is, uh, there this was the only solution to the sextortion racket and putting them into the prostitution. The LAN server people, these people, the van portals, there were at least 100 of them like this van portals in Dell. Hearing this one. So